This is the Delta LED CCT, Ansell Lighting's all-polycarbonate multi-purpose LED round bulkhead. In the box, you'll find the Delta LED CCT fixture, a set of instructions and the fixtures which are located under the LED circuit board. Unscrew the board to find the fixtures and remove the board from the housing. Prep and drill the holes for the screw fittings and electrical supply. You can set your colour temperature on the circuit board of the panel using the CCT switch. Turn off the electrical supply. Accurately mark up and measure out for the fitting. Drill a hole for your electrical supply and pull it through. Cut and prep your electrical supply. Run your electrical supply through the fixture and attach the housing to the ceiling. Connect your electrical supply to the push-fit terminal. Screw the LED board back to the fixture. Screw the outer housing onto the body of the Delta and fit the outer rim. Restore the electrical supply. Then switch on your luminaire. For more information, please visit our website today.